Yeah, good morning, it's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Wednesday the 29th of August 2018. This is my daily video where I just go over what I've done this morning on the daily charts on both the high probability and the mod MACD method. Mainly a bit of trade management this morning, guys, so let's have a look at the charts. We'll start off with the high probability daily. Go to the pound USD. I'm in a buy on this trade, on this pair here at the blue lines intersection. It was a high risk trade towards MAs. It's not really got any traction as such. There's been a big, went up nicely originally, then there's a bearish candle and bullish slowly grind up. So this morning I decided to close half and bring my stop up just above the point of entry, and that stops at 1.27740. So closed half on that buy trade, and it just looks like, you know, the MACD's through the zero level. Looks like the MACD's rolling over. Already started to draw potential bearish divergence lines in there, so just reducing the risk there. Pound Swiss franc is in a sell. I'm in a sell still back here. That's a stop and a sell. I took a buy in the last week or so, and it was in this level here. That buy was stopped out this morning, so I took a loss on the buy. Now if I close that sell now, and that sell would cover the loss on the buy, no worries at all. So it's not a big deal. Hopefully it'll continue down now. You can see the MACD is still below the zero level. I've drawn a trend line across here because we still got a the buy signal still intact. There's been no new sell signal at all, so there is a possibility that we could get a re-entry if suddenly price shoots up and goes through that trend line. So we'll just have to wait and see. But this buy trade is no longer in play, so we can delete all that. So the buy trade's gone. We're still in the sell trade. Stop, locking in profit, possibly looking for a re-entry. It's the pound Swiss. Aussie Japanese yen, took a buy in here. Today it was a high risk trade as we're going against the MAs. Price got up close to the 50 EMA. The MACD is just about through the zero level. It is on the blue dotted line. The orange line's not far behind. Looks like it's losing a bit of momentum. So this morning just closed half and brought my stop up to this level here, which is 80.477. If it rolls over and stops me out, I'll probably lose a little bit, but it's reduced the risk greatly on this trade. So that's the Aussie yen buy. And the last one on this one is the New Zealand USD in a buy here. This morning we've had the first, it was a high risk trade into the MAs. Now we've got a bearish JAGfx RDs presented this morning. So I've closed half my buy trade. The MACD is through the zero level well and truly. We're close to the MAs, just brought my stop up to 0.66102. So I've closed half that trade, locking a little bit of profit. Look, it's just, if it keeps on going up, great. I've got a stop in place. I've still got half my trade on, so that's all good. Right, let's switch over to the mod MACD daily charts as I have some coffee. Alright, just wait for these to load up. That looks like it's good to go. A little bit of action on the mod MACD charts this morning. We'll start with the USD CAD. In a sell here. Yesterday price hit the 240 LMA. It was a high risk trade into that 240 LMA. So this morning I've closed 1/3 of my trade, 0.01, and brought a stop in play now to 1.31108. So just reduced the risk, brought a stop in, took a little bit of profit. At the 240 LMA, it might continue down through that, but sometimes it's a bit of a magnet and price can bounce off it. So it's the USD CAD sell trade. Aussie USD, I was in a sell here. I'd already closed out 1/3 of it, had a stop up here. This morning we had a confirmed cross here through the fast MACD. So that remaining sell was closed. There is a valid buy signal, but once again, I'm not taking it because I'm looking at this other filter. And once I learn more about the filter and get more confident in its use and see how it performs, then I'll share it with you guys. But at the moment, I just want to keep it to myself. So I'm not taking the buy trade. So that sell trade is gone, and we're in nothing at the moment. It's Aussie USD. Might have been an overall small loss, possibly. Pound Swiss in a sell all the way back here. This morning, all I've done is move my stop down. Stop's always a black dotted line on these light coloured background charts. It's at 1.28207, so locking in profit there. This thing's just grinding its way slowly down. You can see it keeps, fast MACD keeps you in the trend a long time. Doesn't look like a bad pair to trade this when you look back at the chart. So that's this pound Swiss, just for locking in more profit there by moving the stop down. AUD CAD, same deal. Stops moved down this morning. We're going to sell from back here. Once again, you can see the fast MACD stayed below the zero level. So all I've done is move my stop down to 0.96251, locking in more profit. That's all that is. That's the Oz CAD. The Oz Swiss in a sell. All I've done this morning is move my stop down, locking a little bit of profit. It's now down to 0.72941, so this can't lose. Already closed 2/3, so yeah, it's all good. And a sell trade there, Oz Swiss. Oz Yen, real Oz theme this morning. In a sell trade back here, already closed out 2/3 of it, and this morning we've got a cross of the confirmed cross of the fast MACD, so that's enough for me to close that sell out. The remaining sell would have been overall profit. That's below the entry level, and we're already taking 2/3 off. That's all good. Now another new buy signal this morning, and once again not taken because of that filter. And look, it's not the end of the world either, because it's a high risk trade into the 240 LMA. You may get a few pips there, but at the moment no trade. So it's the Oz Yen closing out. Now pound CAD in a sell all the way back here. You can see MACD, the fast MACD stayed below the zero level the whole time. Even got a new red dot this. So we've just moved the stop down to 1.69265. So we're just locking in more profit there. That's the the pound CAD. So that's it, guys. A little bit of action too, I think, on the possibly on the 6 hour. I've got a sell stop order in place on the Euro Yen. I might move that up. I'm thinking a few of these Euro pairs look like they're going to roll over soon. They're super extended, but you still have to wait for confirmation as usual. And also took a new sell on the Euro CAD on the 8 hour chart, so I won't worry about showing you that. Thanks for watching, and if you like these videos, please subscribe, or at least hit the like button, and talk later. Cheers.